Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. Hi guys, how you guys doing? Pleasure to see you guys again. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Today I'm going to show you guys how to take your body measurement by using a dress form. The last time I did one, it was on my sister, but now I decided to do it on the dress form so you guys can see more clearly, I think. Excuse me for all the noise because I live in a corner house. My studio is in a corner house. I cannot help it, and we just okay. Just bear with me, okay? You're gonna need a tape measure. You're going to need a pencil, and you're also going to need a notebook. A piece of paper to write down all your measurements. See you soon. Okay, number one, I already traced the bust part, the waist, and the hip measurement. These are the most three important measurements you need to know. Whether you're going to be making a dress, you're going to be sewing for yourself, or you just want to buy, you're just going to shop, you're just going to go shopping for your clothes. So you need to know at least what's your bust measurement, your waistline, and your hip measurement. Those are the most three important measurements of your body. Now, to start with, we're going to do horizontal measurements, and then we'll just do vertical measurement. So the horizontal, we're going to do the shoulder. The shoulder is from one end to the next, which is, I'm using a size 12. It's 16. The mannequin is 16 inches, okay? So if you want to do it on your own, you can actually take the tape measure and then go from one. My shoulder is about 15. I know that. See, you just go from one end to the, try to touch the bone of your shoulder. Okay. All right. So that, and then you take your pencil, you take your notebook, you write it down. What I do, I actually make a list. I put a shoulder, bust line or chest, waist, hips, bicep, arm length, wrist, neck, and so forth. So that we just write it down the number next to the name. The second one we're gonna do is your bust measurement, your chest. So what you do, you're going to take the measuring tape all the way around. Well, if you're gonna do it on your own, on yourself, you just go like this. So you keep it to the front. See, all the way. That's the widest part. Keep it to the front, and then whatever measurement it is, you write it on a piece of paper. If I were to do it on myself, even though I have something very wide on me, so I can just do this. Then look at the number, 36, 37. It's 37 because I have some clothes on. And another idea, whenever you're taking your body measurement, try not to have too much clothes on, and a t-shirt, something tight, so that way you can have accurate measurement. You can take accurate measurement. The third one we're going to do is your waistline. Your waistline is the smallest, the narrowest part of your body. It's around here somewhere. Now, if you don't know where your waistline is, all you have to do, try to bend like that. Wherever the fold is, you can bend your body. Whenever the fold is, that's your waistline. It's usually a little, maybe an inch above your belly button. Okay? So once you do that, then you go back, you take your measurement, you take your tape measure, and then you measure your waistline. Now I have, okay, see, even if you have some of these, look, right over there. You can take it, and here we go. wrong top for me to be wearing, but I like this. I'm loving it this morning, so I decided to wear it. Anyway, that's the waist measurement. The hip measurement. Your hips are the widest part of your body. So you really need to do it carefully. So you're going to take the measuring tape again and go all the way around. Okay? Now, I'm going to hold the measuring tape on me. So now you see, it needs to be, let me just go on this side. It needs to be, luckily my mannequin has a butt. So you see, it actually shape. It's the widest part of your body. So this is your hip measurement. Once again, you write it down. Once you write that down, you're good to go. Now, we're going to do, even though we don't have an arm on this mannequin, so it's always good to take your arm measurement by going like this on the mannequin and kind of take the measurement of that, you see? And then write it down. Or you can actually use your arm and then do it there. So that would be your armhole, because you don't want your armhole to be too tight. We'll get into that in another video. And another important thing for your body measurement is your arm. Your arm, your biceps. Your bicep, some people have big bicep, like me. So you want to take your bicep measurement, and I always add an extra inch, so that way, whatever sleeve I'm wearing, I have enough room to bring it up, and for me not to be uncomfortable wearing my sleeve. Take the measurement, number, write it down. And then another one is your sleeve length, which is from the tip of your shoulder up the way to the bottom. If you're gonna make a short sleeve or 3/4 sleeve or long sleeve, depending on where you want the sleeve to stop, you just measure that like 8 inches or 12, 14 inches, whatever length you're gonna make your sleeve. Okay, and then if you can take your wrist, which is another important element to take. Now, don't take it too tight, because you want to be able to have your hand go through the garment. Okay, unless you are using stretch fabric, so it doesn't matter how small, if it's a good size, you go through it. But cotton fabric or any other woven fabric, you need to be able to have room for your hands to go through. Okay, now the vertical measurement is from the neckline all the way to the apex. This is the length that's going to be your chest. Now, some people have long torso, some people have short torso. So by taking these measurement, it kind of gives you an idea of how long, if you're drafting a pattern, how long your body should be. Now, from the shoulder, from the neck all the way by the apex, this is the apex right here. It's like your nipple, that's your apex. It's about 10.5 inches, and then from that you take the measurement from the apex down to your waistline, which is going to be the length of your body. So you go from here to there. This mannequin, it's about 17 inches, 17.5. Then the back also is another good part for you to take. You take the measurement of your back, so that way your waistline of your pattern will fit perfectly on your body. And for your skirt, you can actually take the measurement of your skirt. Some people like long skirts, some people like short, and so forth. I like to wear long skirts. So if it's gonna be all the way from your waistline to your ankle, 40 30, if you're gonna 42, 46, depending on your height. And if you want your skirt to be on the floor, especially when you're wearing heels, it's all up to you. Another important measurement you guys need to take is the width of your bust line. You see, from one apex, from one princess seam. These are the princess seams on the mannequin, and across the mannequin is about 7.5. So it's from here. You take it from there, and there you go. You have, this is the width of your bust line. Okay. And if you want, you can take your neck measurement, especially when it comes to men. You can take their neck, depending on the shirts, the size of the shirts, and so forth. I hope you guys, this is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like the video all the way to the end. Invite your friends, family members, and so forth. And don't forget to leave a comment. Okay, it was a pleasure being with you guys today. And I will see you soon. God bless and stay safe. Bye-bye.